Lacasa works with individuals and community partners to create opportunity for personal empowerment, family stability, and neighborhood vitality. So I'm Heidi Stoltzfus-McHugh. I am Chief Impact Officer and currently Interim President and CEO here at Lacasa. And we serve housing needs in Elkhart and Goshen, and we really work at the building opportunities for individuals and families in our communities. So some of the programs that we offer are financial empowerment classes and coachings. We own and operate 350 units of affordable housing in the county. We also have a owner-occupied rehab housing program where we fix up the houses of income-eligible families that just need some help, with ramps, with HVAC systems, roofs, that sort of thing that they just aren't able to afford to get done. We also work in our community through our community building and engagement, which really works to connect neighborhood leaders and empower them to be a resource to their community and to really bring people together, doing activities, uniting around issues that they see in their community, neighborhood cleanups, that sort of thing that really brings people together. So today Keystone is working on a couple of our more recently acquired rundown properties, and these properties just need a lot of work. They need the insides torn out, the outsides fixed up, and Keystone is getting in there and digging in and helping us with that physical work. That we've got teams who are working on it, but it's always amazing to have groups like Keystone to come in and lend a hand. So people can get involved with Lacasa. You can go to our website, which is lacasainc.net, and there's a Get Involved tab at the top, and there's opportunities to donate there, to volunteer, we love to have groups, we love to have individuals volunteer, and certainly donations are always welcome. It's really the lifeblood of what runs an agency like Lacasa, and we so appreciate that support.